Over the years, it has always been known that manufacturing was basically a male's job. And so a lot of people, if they don't dig and they don't know, they're still stuck on the old frame of mind that that's a man's workforce. So it's up to us to change that perception. My name is Tara Jackson, and I'm a human resource coordinator. I've been with Saint-Gobain for 21 years. I'm like the middleman, bringing collaboration between the hourly employees and the salary employees. And I love it because I love working with people, and I definitely love helping people. Before I got the human resource job is when I sat down with my plant manager and really talked about what I wanted to do, what my plans were for the future. It was so exciting because he's like the plant manager that pushes us and motivates us. He sat me down and he said, "So Tara, what are your thoughts about going back to school?" And I was thinking, are you kidding me? At my age, I don't know. And the more he and I talked, the more it came to be a reality. I was like, you know what? That may not be so bad. So I got enrolled. Of course, I was extremely nervous because working full time, and then at my church, I'm a youth director. So I have 4 dance teams. So my life is like totally hectic, but it was like one of the best decisions I ever made. I'm from this community, this area. Certainty has always been one of the companies that everybody speaks highly of. There are several of us that started back in 1990s, so we know each other's children because we're long timers. There's nothing about our job or process that's hard or that women can't do. If you feel like this is what you want to do, I say jump out there and do it. If you want to, start a career, Saint-Gobain or any manufacturing is a great place to start because, for one, it's great money, benefits, and then there's opportunity for growth. This company is totally different, and some of the things that sets us aside from other companies, the company cares. It's just more personable than any other job that I've ever had. Real considerate of the employees, making sure they have what they need, going over and above. You just don't see this at other companies. So I'm grateful. I'm very grateful to be a part of this family. My name is Tara Jackson, and I am a manufacturer.